Yo, brother Illmeister, I need you to come up with some designs to improve my gaming setup. I'm tired of these pesky humans camping in corners. I need a mouse that can see through walls.
See through walls? That's crazy. Let me see what I can cook up. I think I can do it, but there is one problem.
What is this problem you speak of?
It might accidentally turn into a backseat gamer and start criticizing all of your moves.
Bro, we can't have that happening.
Well, maybe for now, then I should just make you a mouse stand.
That's definitely a safer option. It must be sturdy, of course, capable of supporting the weight of a dragon's mighty claws. Perhaps with a built-in fire-breathing mechanism.
Fire breathing? Now you're talking.
See what else you can come up with and get back to me.
All right, Dragon, I'm ready with your gear.
Exciting. Let's see it.
Check out this custom mouse stand.
The attention to detail is truly amazing. You absolutely smashed it on this design.
I also went further and created you a custom wrist rest.
Wow, I did not expect that. That's simply gorgeous. This will truly be a centerpiece of my setup.
I got you, Dragon.
Always a pleasure working with you, Illmeister. Next time we'll figure out how to see through walls.